be a reason you don't do this at your place, because it would piss your neighbours off.
Sorry?
Take it away.
What's your problem? What's wrong? Honestly?
Yeah, honestly. Do you think I need to sit at my house and listen to that?
I'm sorry, I didn't know it.
You don't be an idiot, mate. You're not that stupid.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah. Take it out the Model Aero Club. Don't bring it back here again.
Okay.
Are we clear?
This is the first I've had.
Yeah, well, this is the first I've got the shits with it, and you're going to wear it.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to offend you.
Don't worry about calling me sir. Take it home.
All right. You have a good day. Merry Christmas.
You have a good one too.
What a goober. He's going on YouTube. Well, YouTube. Yeah. Did you hear that? This is a public land. I literally haven't gone on any of his land or anything like that. So, yeah. I don't know, I suppose because he had to hear it. Yeah, I heard more noise coming from the cars on the highway, but anyway, apparently I'm copping it. Well, thanks for watching YouTube. Merry Christmas. You have a good day.